Well, hey guys, welcome to a What's Up Wednesday here at the Hershey RV Show. All right, guys, we're looking at the Montana High Country 381 TB. See what we got here. Nice white pine kind of look, really nice view. Oh, but let's not get distracted. Let's focus on what we need to look at. Go up here to the front first, the master bedroom, where the magic happens, which by magic I mean sleep, or laundry, depending on your perspective, because you'll washer dryer hook up here in the closet, remove the shelves, washer dryer hook up, or a massive amount of storage. I mean, we're talking a massive amount of storage. And you have your front closet there. What's my favorite part of the closet, babe? The sliding mirrors, because I like the mirrors. I think they're cool.
Makes the room feel bigger.
Makes the room feel bigger too. And she kind of struggles with claustrophobia, so that makes it amazing for her. It's a king size bed, I think. It looks that way. And then
Has outlets on both sides. So you have, and you also have electric on this wall here. So you have plenty of electric outlets in here. Storage underneath.
Storage underneath.
Yeah.
Look like that the hose for the RV vac throughout.
Have an electric here as well as there. So you have a TV outlet, plus you have outlet if you want to set something else up here. Got your cabinets or your drawers there. I love the wood. The wood's very pretty.
And apparently the master bedroom is a BYOTB. Bring your own TV.
Yeah.
But it looks like they do have roof access for your Wi-Fi stuff and things like that if you want to add that.
I do like, I mean, there's pluses and minuses, but I like that the bathroom door swings in, because we've been in RVs where it swings out and then it gets very crowded in the hallway. So I like that it swings in. That's
a deal killer for her.
It is. It is. Great big shower with a seat and a shelf. So very, very nice. You have your, it's a decent little space for your, pretty, I think, standard for your sink. And of course you have medicine cabinet. It's kind of deep for a medicine cabinet. It's not bad. And then you have 3 drawers here, which are really nice. And then you have a little bit of room. We put our toilet paper under there, but then coming in here, can you see over there?
You see the
is
toilet?
Your toilet.
Can I see the toilet? I don't know. There's the toilet. Trying to be acrobatic here.
You also have linen closets here, which is nice. Yeah.
Very nice.
Which is very nice. And you have a shelf down here. So lots of shelving in here, which is really, really nice. So bathroom is, I mean, it's small, but you got to make sacrifices in RVs somewhere, and it's not bad.
But hey, you do have other options.
You do have other options in this one, yes.
This doesn't have the collapsible stairs, but they do flip in.
Yeah.
Some of them have the collapsible stairs, but this does not. Yeah. Oh, something I didn't notice before is this actually has a slide out.
Oh, that's nice.
To extend your table.
That is awesome.
Didn't see that before.
Which is really nice, because this is where my workspace would be.
Yep. So.
And you got a really nice.
It's a cute little chandelier kind of thing.
It's a
nice.
Little ceiling light kind of. It's cute though.
So you have a 4-table dinette, extended table. You got your theater seating here.
Then you have your island with this flip-up extension countertop here, which is really nice. We really like that in our other one. Nice sink. Let's see what kind of sink. It's probably a farm sink. Yeah, a nice deep farm sink, which that's really nice. Lots of counter space in here. You've got all kinds of counter space over here. Coffee station, put your Berkey, whatever over here. This is kind of cute. I like this little shelf for decorating. I'm into decorating, so have nice. These are pretty deep, really. You could put plates in there. So lots of cabinet space. Even these are deep they're not quite wide enough, but they're deep, which is really nice. Really nice refrigerator, full size
Residential.
residential refrigerator, so it's very nice. Nice deep freezer. Oh, it's got the double freezer thing. It's taped together, but you have the shelf plus the freezer underneath.
Very nice.
Yeah, so it gives you actually more freezer space where you're not digging through your freezer.
And if I didn't know you noticed when you looked in the freezer, they have the coolest instruction manuals in the world because it was in the freezer. They have switches for all your controls here. I think in the Legacy model they have the option for the one control, but the rest of them they're using switches, which I personally like because sometimes the one control you have to wait on it, and I don't like that.
Or it times out on you.
Yeah, I don't like that either.
These are super cute little corner cabinets. I just think they look really cute. Kind of nice dimensions there. Nice oven. You have a 3-burner stove, which is plenty because
Still a decent sized oven.
yeah, decent size oven. You have, again, everybody knows my pet peeve with outlets. There are 7 outlets in this thing, in the kitchen. So you have 2 there. You have 1 under here. You have 2 here. You have another one over here, and then you have 1 over there. So plenty of outlets.
And there's one on the wall, which is kind of living room, kitchen,
yeah.
whatever.
So you have plenty for your air fryer, your coffee pot, your, smoothie machine, whatever you got going on. But it's really nice. And the cabinets, again, are very deep. So they're nice and deep for crock pots and air fryers to put them away. Up here, more really deep cabinet space, which is awesome. And then I'm assuming this is kind of like this. I would use as my pantry. I think it's probably more. But anyway, so they've got a couple shelves there, a couple more shelves down there.
If you have kids, it could be their stuff they use frequently. If you had 2 kids, you could put one on the top, one on the bottom too, and
Oh, that's true.
put the rest of their stuff up on the
Yeah.
bunk area up here.
Bunk is really nice.
They were using that nice big thing. I will not step on the stairs because I'm afraid I would break them. But it is nice and big up there. Have a place to plug in stuff, put a TV, all the things you would want.
Extra storage if your kids are grown and gone like ours. That
Yep.
would be a great storage area. This also has the hidden dog dishes down here, which I actually love. So I think those are really cool. Because I always kick our dogs and water goes everywhere. And
Nice picturesque kind of fireplace there.
yep,
Cool
very
TV,
nice.
sound system.
Drawers here. Lots of cabinet space in this unit, a lot.
Really nice.
Yeah. And then the second bedroom down here,
Second bedroom down here.
which I love.
This is pretty nice.
Lots of cabinet space up here, so if it's just the 2 of you, you have extra cabinet space or cabinet space for your guests. One of the things being full-time and us being just the 2 of us, with Dawn working, we're looking at 2 bedrooms and actually making the second bedroom an office. So we would probably, this is a really nice bed, but we would probably pull the bed out and put a desk there and actually make this an office, which would be perfect, really.
Yeah, with power outlets on the side and power outlet down here on the wall. We could pull this bed out, make a nice desk, sit up there, sit my 3 monitors up, and be a really nice place to work.
Yeah, I think that would be really nice. And then you have a second full bath back here, which you can tell is all open and nice and breezy.
Yeah, they have a back door here out the back, so you can go out the back if you want, or you can load in from the back.
Oh, that's a good point too, where you don't have to dirty your main area. That's a good point I didn't think about.
Or if you have kids of age that want to go out late and you don't want them coming through the front door and disturbing everything, you give them a key to the back door, or you get a keyless lock, and they can let themselves in the back, come right in the back bedroom and not disturb everybody. Or disturb your dog that might be sleeping in the living room.
True. Check out how tall this ceiling
How
is.
tall
back
that
here.
thing is.
That is tall. So there's
Oh.
no problem with height.
Your height's
in the
fine.
shower.
You might need to be skinny mini a little bit, but height's fine.
You don't have to be skinny.
But anyways,
mini.
let's see how that shower door work.
Oh, this is very cool. Check this out.
Look at that.
Whoa. How does it?
It's got a clip all the way.
Oh, gotcha.
I think it's magnetic.
Oh, okay. Oh, it is.
That's pretty
yeah.
cool.
Yeah, but that's like material.
Pretty
I wonder
neat.
how that is I wonder how that is to clean. I don't know.
Probably not too bad. It rolls up all the time. Then you got your sink and your toilet.
Yep.
And the cabinet there.
Got a nice extra cabinet. They made use of all of the space for sure.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then here in the bedroom you do have the TV hookups and stuff, so you can hang a TV there. The biggest or another monitor or something. The everything I really like. They even have a ceiling fan in here too, and a nice chandelier in the middle. We like most of it. The biggest drawback is the door here. If that was a barn door that slid to the side, or a pocket door or something of that nature, might be better, but they're kind of limited. I know they need structural stuff for the bunk up there and stuff. And if you're taller, just when you step in, you want to watch your head. But it's a real nice unit here.
It's a nice unit.
It is a nice unit. So
yeah, I would definitely consider it.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. So pretty cool. You do lose some of your living space compared to what we have if we did this. But you know, everybody has different lifestyles. For us, we like the living area a lot.
Yeah.
We relax, especially if we have our kids or guests over. It's nice to have. So it'd be somewhat limited.
Yeah, the only thing is, it's 90% of the time it's just us.
Yeah, true.
So this would be perfectly fine for us. And then when you do have guests, you have nice chairs.
Yeah.
I mean, these are nice padded cloth chairs, top and bottom. You can move them wherever you want if you want to visit. So, I mean, you're not restricted that much.
Yeah.
I mean, it definitely, again, with anything, whether it's a house or an RV, you're not going to get everything you want. So you just have to figure out what your priorities are. But for two people living in this, and then you needing a separate office, I think this is a really good option.
Yeah.
I really do. And then up here, I love the look of this. I probably would, if it's used for storage, which it would be for us, I would probably put decorative baskets or something up there so that it didn't look, you know, I'd want to make sure it didn't look junky. Because that's really, I like the railings and stuff. So just maybe some decorative baskets. And this wall is high enough that I think you could hide things like, you know, chairs, fold up chairs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'll store that up there. But I like this. I really like this unit.
So anyways, we like it a lot. We'll get some pictures outside, and we'll throw it all together and we'll post it. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Give us your opinions, what you think. It's pretty nice overall. We like it pretty well.
Like it.
That's pretty nice. So. Anyways, we'll get some more videos this week at some point and post some more stuff. But for now, what are we going to do?
See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.